about fraction word problems. Let's say we have a problem like Jenny and Kelly had the same amount of money. Cameron had thrice as much money as Jenny. After Cameron spends $266, he is left with 1/3 of the total amount of money both girls had. How much money is Cameron left with? Now, the problem states that after Cameron spends $266, he is left with 1/3 of the total amount of money both girls had. So, this means that both girls had a total of 3 units of money, because 3 is the denominator in this fraction and is the whole. So, the total both girls had, T for total, B for both, G for girls, is equal to 3 units. Now, we know that Jenny and Kelly had the same amount of money. So let's find out how much money Jenny and Kelly had. So Jenny had, J for Jenny, is equal to, Jenny has the same amount as Kelly. And the total amount both girls have is 3 units. So this means that Jenny has half of 3 units. So Jenny has half 3 units. Which is equal to 1.5 units. So this means that Kelley, K for Kelley, has also 1.5 units. Now, we know that after Cameron spends $266, he is left with 1/3 of the total amount of money both girls had. So, let's find out how much money Cameron has now. So, C for Cameron, N for now, is equal to 1/3 of the total amount of money both girls have, which is 3 units. So 1/3 of 3 units, which is equal to unit. So Cameron now has a unit amount of money. Now let's find out how much money did Cameron have at first. So Cameron at first, C for Cameron, A for at, here let's put this as capital, A for at, F for first, is equal to, we know that Cameron had thrice as much money at first, thrice as much money as Jenny at first. So Cameron at first is equal to 3 times Jenny is equal to 1.5 units. 1.5 units, which is equal to 4.5 units. So this means that Cameron spent, C for Cameron, SP for spent, is equal to 4.5 units, which is how much money he started out with, minus unit, which is how much money he has now. This is equal to 3.5 units. So 3.5 units. So Cameron spent 3.5 units. And we also know that Cameron spent $266. Equal to $266. $266. So this means that 3.5 units is equal to $266. And the problem is asking for how much money is Cameron left with? And we know that Cameron is left with unit. So let's find out how much money is unit. So we know that 3.5 units is equal to $266. So this means that unit is equal to how much? So to solve this part of the problem, we need to use cross multiplication. This means we multiply 3.5 with question mark and 266 with unit. So we get question mark is equal to 266 times unit over 3.5 units. So unit cancels out with unit, and 266 divided by 3.5 is equal to $76. So this means that unit is equal to $76. This also means that Cameron now is equal to unit, which is equal to $76. So let's write that down. Cameron is left with $76. Today we learned about fraction word problems. Thank you for watching this video.